Got married at 16, had a 15-year-old wife. Guess I've been a grown man just about all my life. Like my daddy before me, I've done the best I could. But somehow things turned out a little worse than they should. Logan, West Virginia is 100 miles behind. Coal mines took my boy's life, and my Jane is peace of mind. All I know is back in Logan, and I ain't never been that smart. But I know I had to leave there to heal my Jane's heart. Damn these hard times, damn the coal mine, damn the good dreams gone cold. While I'm at it, damn this crooked road. Me and Jane have worked hard to get our children grown. Junior was our firstborn, it's cut us to the bone. We learned long ago that you don't doubt the good Lord's plan, but some things is hard to take, Lord, we just trying to understand. But damn these hard times, damn the coal mine, damn the good dreams gone cold. While I'm at it, damn this crooked road. There's a big blue ocean, another 300 miles. The sun on the water just might make my Jane smile. The light in her eyes is worth more to me than gold. And hope runs a straight line right down this mountain road. So damn these hard times, damn the coal mine, damn the good dreams gone cold. And while I'm at it, damn this crooked road. While I'm at it, damn this crooked road.